Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today is SheModern Saturday. Today we are doing a sugar manicure, strictly sugar. I have got 2 nails done, 2 not done. This one will be just like this. And this is just the leftover remnants that was on the palette, so that's what I'm going to do again. Now I'm going to do this the way I seen Sassy do it. Normally how I would do it, I would use the stencil or the glue gel, put that on, but Sassy used white polish. We're going to get us some white polish out here on the palette. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. Your presence is greatly appreciated here. So, we're going to be using a dotting tool. You can use a brush, but I'm going to use a dotting tool. And here we go. We're going to hopefully stay in frame. We're going to color our circle in here. Cover the same, hopefully bring this out to the edge. And gel polish does self-level, so that's what we're counting on here. We're going to go in, first we're using yellow, orange, red, brown of the Sugar Crush series. Love these products. I really wish Tina, SheModern would bring them back. But that doesn't look like it's going to happen. They've revamped everything on their site. They have a new catalog, so go check them out. Tina's been doing videos, how-tos, and demos on how to use the new products. There's sticky stamping polishes. There's watercolored paints. There's new pixie pigments. Let's see what else is there. There's pastel water paints. Oh, shoot. Oh, I gouged it. I gouged it. So now you stick this in, let me tap it off. Whoopsie. So now I am going to use the stencil glue. I'm going to pop this on the nail, seriously the lamp. Make sure you get full coverage. Cover your tips, your cuticle area, your sidewalls really, really well. Don't leave no nooks and crannies undone. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for a full cure. So here we go. Now we're going to go in for our red. Oops. Little bit dotting tool. Come back in, fill her in. Dab, dab, dab. Just tap, tap, tap. Turn your nail as you're doing this. Make sure everything is covered. There. I want to go like this so bad and tap it in, but we have got uncured paint, polish, gel. Stick that back in the lamp. And as you can see, our sugar's accumulating. So I'm going to mix this up, get us a color going, mix in well. The time we're done, we're going to have a little bit more. I got my orange wood stick here mixing it. There we go. There we go. Oh, I am doing this collaboration. This is a collaboration with Sassy Family. Go run over to Sassy's page. Go check her out. I totally forgot to say that. Oh, I'm so ashamed. I'm very sorry, Sassy. This was Sassy's idea for us to do a collaboration with the sugar nails because she knows I love a sugar nail. So we figured she came up with the idea of doing some color blocking, and this is what I came up with. I think it's kind of cute. I'm not really sure if it falls into the color blocking realm. You have to let me know, tell me about it, because I'm not sure. So I'm going to take some of the sugar, start dabbing it on the nail. I don't even know if I've got enough to do all of the nail. This is how I'm going to do this here. No, I don't think we got enough sugar out yet. So just mash your finger down in there, get it on the nail to the best of your ability. Oh, we might have enough after all. Let's press it down into the glue. I think that looks beautiful. Tap, tap, tap. What do you think? Those are all our colors mixed in together. I think that's gorgeous. I am going to pop that back in the lamp. Give that another cure. There's our red. Next is our brown. Trying to decide where to go here. We're gonna need some more white polish, I know that. So let me find my other white. I shouldn't be using this white because it is expensive. I'm not even gonna tell you whose it is. But it's expensive. So I'm gonna go in, fill this in. See, what are we doing next? Brown. And that feature I've not figured out how to do yet. Tap, tap, tap. Your side here, whoops. I have made quite the mess. Go back over here a little bit. Tap, tap, tap. Pop her in the lamp. Go. Here are our two complete sugar nails. Should probably give this one another coating because it's not as dark as the other one. Let me get that one in the lamp as well. So now I'm going to go in with the white. This is for orange. Some of these you have to tap quite so hard. They are free pouring bottles. Should call them free pouring. Some of them, they don't come out a lot, some do. With this one, yes, it's definitely a free pouring. Get this over here a little better. Light is coming through. Okay. Let's just sit in here for just a second. Then I'm going to tap, tap, tap. Pop her in the lamp. Get the other sugar nail out. See, look at all this sugar here. Mix her up a little bit more. Yeah, this one's going to be a little bit darker, I think. Push it down into the glue, if you will. Look how gorgeous that is. Does that not scream fall? That's why I use these colors specifically, because they would scream fall. Here we go. Here is our Sugar Crush manicure. This is my version, or yeah, my version of color blocking with the Sugar Crush series. These are colors I did because of fall, like I said. I think they turned out really cute. Really cute. Check out Sassy Family. Check out what she did with her color blocking Sugar Crush manicure. And this is mine. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Would you sport these for fall for a while, for a minute? I think they're kind of cool. If you haven't already subscribed, please take the chance to do so. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified about all future uploads. And that is it for today. We will see you next Saturday. Have a blessed day and thank you.